By 2025, the global market for nutraceuticals will value $132 billion more than they do now. That's according to a study by PMMI Business Intelligence. Local entrepreneurs are therefore finding new ways to carve out their own space in the industry. In this week's edition of the Business Review, Andrew Laidley explores the issue.
The nutraceutical market includes vitamins and supplements, as well as skincare and cosmetic items. Local entrepreneur Tanisha Ingram has decided to delve into the skincare aspect of the business. She's pairing her passion for youth development with her skills in product development. The result? A social enterprise called Natural Mystique Skincare based in St. Thomas. Miss Ingram explains that establishing a business like hers can be capital intensive in the early stages.
I gave myself a goal. I said that I was going to invest at least $400,000. And when I started getting everything and doing my research and trying to source everything, I'm like, no, 10. This is not going to work. We'll probably have to reevaluate this budget. And I ended up reevaluating, and I realized that I ended up spending about $500,000 to basically get everything, company shirts, containers, raw materials, and every other thing that I may have needed. And it came up to a whopping $500,000.
But it gets easier with time. She noted that frequent exhibitions have helped to give her business the extra boost it needs to thrive.
What really helped with my business, right now we have a lot of expos going on, and those really give us small entrepreneurs like myself a platform basically to sell our product, and a lot of people come to these expos. So we ended up selling a ton load of products, and apart from that, some of the orders that are coming in, we are shipping out some things, and we have some things locally that we give off to our customers.
But there are other hurdles to overcome. The nutraceutical entrepreneur explains that the logistics of distribution is one aspect of the business she is still trying to figure out.
It's a trial and error basis for me now. It's to find really which avenue I will be using as I go along. But for now, I've tried many different ones. So I've tried shipping it through DHL, I've tried FedEx, and I've also tried our local post office. So I'm just really trying to find out which one of them is the best option for the customers.
In terms of plans, the entrepreneur intends to build out her capacity to produce and export more.
Getting a space, hopefully getting one other person to help me with the day-to-day activities of the business, like getting out the products to customers, responding to customers on time, because all of that is very important. So having somebody else to help me and navigate that, as well as shipping more overseas, shipping more here locally, as well as investing in more community developmental projects.
The business has established a fund to help students with exam fees and grants to cover food expenses. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.